Hey everybody, not sure how this is gonna go. I have my video of me turned off just because I'm waking up and I don't know, don't feel like messing with it. Taking a gamble on trying to go long on this insane down day, down 4.5% right now. I could see that uh, there's an attempt to hold this slow moving average here. I thought this purple might hold as a floor, and I got excited and I bought the high, even though I knew I was buying the high, but my stop got taken out. I went ahead and I turned my stop off this time. Why am I doing this? Why am I going long? It's down I just said 4.5%. Now it's down 4.47%, and there's a big gap up there. And NASDAQ is crazy, and part of me thinks the market might open and we might fully retrace all the way back to close yesterday. And if so, this will be an insane long if I could hold on. But I was just down like maybe $250 or something. I wasn't watching exactly, but now I'm down $44, $34. So we'll see. It's pretty good that we've got a series of higher lows here. Are getting some green candles, but yeah, we're about to come up on market open, and it's NASDAQ, and anything is possible. So I don't know. This just retraced to the fast moving average and then sold like this was a lid, so that's not good. Buyers were trying to step up, got rejected. And that's logical and makes sense. Oh. God damn it. So all it could do is get back to where I was break even and then dump. And look how crazy that candle is there. I'm gonna mark this red right here at the top to show the top of that. And now I'm up $55. See, there's potential here. I'm gonna put on break even, now up $325. Love that I'm looking smart. Fucking fabulous, but this is kind of crazy. And this is how NASDAQ works. I'm claiming some of it. I might get knocked out, but this might run like crazy bull. But I'll probably get knocked out, right? Because that would be just too good to be true. Okay, I'm taking my hands off. What will be currently up $500. It's really super bullish that like I held through that pullback there. Help right here. In fact, I'm gonna draw a little circle to show where I did buy. Hello. And I bought early. I gotta claim more of this. I'll take it. Too bad I didn't do that in my two accounts. This is probably still gonna go. This literally has a huge move to the upside, and I think what I'll do is move my microphone close enough so you can hear my audio. That was a really nice move there. Damn, I'm looking kind of smart on that. This was the real buy at 825. I'm tempted to put on a little gamble, knowing that the open is going to be insane, like literally insane. I don't know if it's better to buy now, like at market, and just leave my stop and hope for the best. But damn. And so why did I buy? Let me show you. I started the other day watching my where the EMA crossed below the fast, and I marked off how long that continued and got a candle. I mean, I drew it this long, this length of this pink. So then I copied that pink, knowing that it should probably have a counterbalance. And this was about where the chart was. So then I said this would be a point to buy, and to go up equidistant would be 19,004. Note how it's still holding my price where I sold at. In fact, it's a little bit higher. So there are people selling here. Yeah, I don't like trading the open, but I do think we're due for some upward mojo. It's absolutely huge the way it's acting right now. Why am I being so weak? Wonder if I should go open up a micro. That's something I never do. Currently up 1,103 on this account. The other account I'm trading overnight, it's up 2,786. So I've got one account on my left, one account on my right. They're both NASDAQ charts. The one on the right is a 3-minute chart. I think it's reasonable that look at where that green line I drew. I think it can actually drive all the way up there. I don't know why it couldn't. Just know that this is going to be violent. And I don't know that I have the guts to do it, but God, I wish I did. I should have held on to my original, my buy, and just let it go. $8:30 a.m. in 30 seconds. Man, why didn't I stay in my trade? Maybe I'll put on a short. Actually, let me mark off that green. So notice the like I said, the length of the pink. This green is the same length. It's just to give me like confidence that that would be a spot to sell. If things are equal and balanced. And look, we're right back to where market opened. Well, that was easy, right? Yeah, that's a loss, right? Yeah. It's too hard trading with stops here. It's too volatile. That was dumb. But that first trade worked good. God bless America. I should have snatched that. I'm trying to be greedy. Damn, I should have taken it. That was like 500 bucks. I didn't take it. Damn. Now I'm just gonna let it. Ooh. So that was dumb. I didn't take the $500 winner, but I'm letting a $500 loser run. What the fuck is wrong with me? Especially since I said I should just buy and let it go. Oh my god, why would I do this to myself? So I made $2,500 overnight. And I'm jumping in front of a train here. But trying to be calm. And going off the size of that candle, that pink. Looks like I put on my short too early. I gotta get out. I guess my entry wasn't good. I'm scared, but God, I want to short really bad, but I need to short above that EMA. Fuck. would have been in by now. Okay, so what's going on here? It's at the height of that pink thing that I drew. I gotta go for it. I'll leave my stop in place. My risk is... what? What is that? Okay. I took my $95. I'm gonna try a really cool... Every time I think about letting a winner run, it bites me in the ass. All I know is I lost money. I don't know, probably $600. Now up 1,000. I gotta... This might keep free falling. I'll take it. Fuck yeah, bitches. Up 4,110. Yeah! And that was easy. That was a trade that felt easy on the heart. Just had to wait for it. Just really had to wait for it. That makes me happy. Hell yeah, bitches. Alright. Only thing that would have been better is if I did it on both accounts. And the thing is, it's still probably going to keep going down. But, that makes me really happy. Okay. Alright, so this is account 4946. And 30%. So I had a big loss the day the account started. For me to make back the difference from absolute biggest loss to passing the test, 33% of the way would be 4,068, and I'm up at 4,110. So I just made it like a third of the way towards passing. If I want to get 50% of the way to passing, it's 6,102. So $2,000 more dollars. So the question is, do I have $2,000 more dollars in me on this account for today? Or do I just say, I quit, I'm good, I'm done? God, that felt fucking great. That felt so good. See, I don't normally trade this early in the day. God, what do I do now? So I guess we repeat. We're going to take this pink again and let's copy it again. Oh, damn it. That was about right there. Trying to copy you. No, not you. I wish they would copy like a different color. It'd be easier. So that was about where that was. Now we're due for the counter trend here. Let's just pretend it's the same range each way. It's not going to be that methodical. But, so right here is where it crossed. And there's one more little leg up. 8:39 a.m. Right there's where it crossed again. That was the fastest $95 ever. Yeah, I should have put on a limit order at the fast moving average. Would probably be smart. Damn it, kicking myself. Well, I did put it on. It was just so fast. I made $95 in literally a second. And we know most people don't sell. Most people buy. So I have to think about the masses and note that it just held this green level here. Or the Merlot, either one. Okay, I gotta make sure I put on a good entry, so let's think for a minute. So I'm already having a great day in this account, up $4,000. Oh, buyers trying to stake a claim here. Really doing well holding this here. It's pretty impressive. Not sure why. It's just they gotta control the bleeding. But this is very very bullish here. Fuck it. Oh, another $95 in just a second. I'm leaving my stop in place. 8:47 a.m. Put it at break even so I'm not taking a loss. Yeah, I mean, all those buyers just got fucked, so. Motherfucker knocked me out. I didn't take my 350. God damn it. Oh, that makes me mad. So my trade was a good trade. I just didn't grab the money. This is going to have to be a grab the money kind of thing. Obviously, look at that. I'm gonna walk away for a minute. What do you think, Toby? What are we gonna do, baby? I need to do something that I never do, and that is stop. I don't know if you could hear me, but if you watch me at all, you know my struggle is that I make great money and then I give it back, and I'm trying to do something different, so I think I'm gonna need to stop here. At least on this account, it's up 42.77. And this account's up 11.03. I guess I could work on this account a little bit. I am learning. Oh, God damn it. Oh, fuck. Goddamn motherfuck. Great. Fucking fabulous. So I put on the trade, didn't grab my 300 or whatever it was, and trying really hard. I'm not gonna add size. I'm not gonna add size. This is me telling myself, do not add size. So they had to go blow out everybody's stops. My price is the what do you call it? The exponential moving average? Red. Red, red. I guess I shorted before there was confirmation. I'm trying to force a trade to happen. Oh, great. Okay. And it goes right to my price. Now what do I do? I'm in extreme fucking danger. God damn it. EMA just crossed below the fast. And that didn't take my money again. Because I'm waiting on a big drop. I want you to break below all these other moving averages. You're supposed to sell high, buy low. Well, relatively speaking, this is high. Man, y'all bitches made me wait for that shit. I'm getting some of that. Keep going. I think that was about $500. Okay, 410. So last time, let's note, last time it was this purple that it held, the purple and the Merlot. I gotta wait for 9 a.m. Doing really good. My, what do you call it? The, my profit factor, 84.55. On the other account, profit factor 7.75. That's the way your chart, your equity curve is supposed to look. What's that? Recovery factor negative 96. I'll never look at that. I don't know what that means. Recovery factor negative 13. should have stayed in that trade. I'm waiting for that 9 o'clock is what I'm waiting on. Oh, remember what I said? The link to that pink is what I'm looking for right now. It doesn't go in a straight line, but you can see it works its ways down. Bounce. Gives everybody else a third chance to get on there. 1, 2, 3 chances at the high. And then goes straight down. We're going to get a little bounce. So you get multiple chances. You don't have to be right the first time. So everyone's getting out of the way before the 9 a.m. Don't want to be sure. I don't even know what economic news comes out today, but it's something. I have an alarm on my phone every day, like, I don't know, 8:50, 8:55 a.m. looking for economic data release at 9 a.m. Okay, it's 9 o'clock a.m. What's happening? Oh. Alright, I've been looking at my phone. Sorry, boys. Yep. Really hasn't been a reason to be afraid of anything, has there been? And let's compare it to what I said, what I'm looking for this pink. Might as well draw my little green line down there and see how it goes. So this pink line, so we started back here. That was the size of the leg down, and then that was the size, same length for the leg up, and it actually went higher than that. But we're just gonna repeat the original size for the leg down. And it's to give me a frame of reference to feel more confident about the trend that's needed. Another chance down. It's another $95, just like that. Leaving my stop in place. Y'all are trying to buy. I'm gonna move my TP down to the end of that pink. Actually, just a smidge below it since that last run was bigger. Stop to break even. I gotta grab some of this because you guys love to fucking buy. I'll take it. 2,271. Looks like I actually did really, really well on that. Still think there's more room to the down though. Look at that, 9:07 a.m. Oh, I love it when it works great. Okay, so for this account, a third of the way towards my profit would be a gain of 4,054. Not a third of the way there yet. I don't even know if I've made back my losses from yesterday yet. Let's see. This account is still negative. Still needs another 1,000 or 900 just to get back to break even. That's how big my loss was yesterday. Let's just be thankful. Oh, I didn't drop my stop. I'm trying to let it go. There Keep going. Whole $65. Woo woo. God damn it. Buyers are trying. They're really freaking trying. I don't blame them, but there's still room to the down, I think. I might just grab 95 bucks at a time. I'll watch it blow up in my face. I'll be mad. Okay. Yeah, didn't need to do that. Could have moved it because I knew there's room to the down. There's still room to the down. Still need another 500 bucks just to get to break even. Could have had it by now if I would just let it go. It's probably gonna knock me out for a loss. Damn it, took a loss. Just because I left my stop there. Ah. I'll take it. Hopefully that made back what I just lost. Lost 280, made 285. Okay. So now I know we are down. See where my pink? Now I need to reverse it. Now we're going to have an up leg. I'm going to mark it off right here. Actually, the EMA's got to cross the fast first. Or We're probably right where everybody should have bought. Could be a little bit further down though. But right now that EMA is kissing that fast. Yep. 9:15 a.m. So short's getting out of the way. It's 9:15 a.m. Damn, so why did I not capitalize on this when I'm seeing it before it happens? Oh, I have a hard time buying. Ooh, I don't like that. What does that mean? Kind of surprised by the down pressure, but not. If you think about the emotion from everybody who just was trying to buy the dip before and they've been annihilated, becomes a no-brainer just to keep selling every spike, right? So this leg up was a little bitty. don't like that I'm losing my internet. Gotta remember there's 2 or 3 attempts at the bottom. Maybe we're looking at a low on the day. It's gonna knock me out, damn it. Alright, fuck off. Don't fight the trend. Ah! Knocked out at break even. I'm leaving my stops in. God damn it! Fucking volatile little fucker. I'm still behind. God damn it. It's like short. Guess at the low of the candle. Knocked out. Oh, that was knocked out at break even. Shorted again below the EMA. Knocked out. I don't like that I'm losing my internet connection. Or my feed or whatever. So it's like, look at me, I put on these shorts and knocked out twice. At least $540, even though it just is going down. Look at that. 9:25 a.m. No, the length of that up was about the same as the length of that down. Very close, just a smidge more. But also that had a smidge more. Having a hard time getting this last little 500, huh? Trading NASDAQ is not for the weak of heart, I gotta tell you that. EMA is still above the fast. This might hold as a floor here. Be very bullish if it does. But it could. Like I said, it absolutely could. This is a mess. This chart is an absolute mess. Ugh. God damn. Like I just said, it could hold this like a floor. And it fucking did. I shorted it anyway. think that's 2 shorts in a row, maybe 3 shorts in a row losing money. But look, every time it knocks me out, it goes right back down. Oh, 9:31 a.m. Now I see what time it is. And of course, where it knocked me out. Fuckheads. God damn. Trying to preserve my safety is impossible. God damn. It's like I wanted to hit break even, but I didn't. Okay, I'm now getting angry. Angry might be a slight exaggeration, but it pissed me off because I got knocked out of my stop at the slow moving average. So it's like you have to fly without stops or it's just going to knock you out all day fucking long. And you have to take what you can get when you get it. So I lost about $575. Made back 320, still down like 200. So I'm having flashbacks from yesterday where I was up, I think 4,000, and then I could just never get back, and ended up hitting daily loss limit. So I got, I don't know, upset, frustrated, put on 11 or 13 contracts, and now I'm just mad. God. This is hugely volatile. It's making it hard to trade and use stops like for safety. God damn it. It's gonna knock up and knock out my stop. No, it's free falling. I could take $20. Fuck, it's gonna make me lose again. Because my entry was no good and I used a fucking stop. God damn. Fucking fucks. I don't see how you buyers can be happy here. Look at the size of those wicks. The only way to do this is to keep your stop off. Damn it. And look who shorted way up here. Let me draw a little circle. Shorted there. Shorted there. Shorted there. Above the EMA, above the fast. Knocked out. Since then, it's just gone straight fucking down. The only way to survive it would be to go without stops. Yeah, I'm mad. Now I'm just sitting here like I don't know what to do. That green line, that's where the pink ended other times. I guess I'll draw this down to that one there. I'm going to wait for the EMA to cross above the fast. See, Brain said buy back here with these green. It stopped selling. I said I'm going to wait for that EMA. And look, EMA Like the buyers are trying to push it, but look what happened. It's being sold into. And that's why I didn't buy yet. I've been caught by this so many fucking times. So many times. I finally learned my lesson once. Unbelievable. Buyers are trying. Now I'm feeling so sleepy all of a sudden. I'm insane, but I tried to buy and this might be too early. 9:41 a.m. I marked this off at break even. Probably should have moved it up higher. It's okay. The EMA did cross the fast right here. That's just barely kissing it. Is it being sold into? Hasn't crossed it yet. Look. So it just barely broke above and it's getting sold into. Not yet. Not ready yet. Soon though. Very soon. $210 on that one. Bunch of losses. $95 being long. $9:44 a.m. Probably not many people want to be short before 9:45, but I'm gonna just wait and watch. And that's something I never do. EMA is still below the fast. People are selling. 9:44 and 15 seconds. $95 being long. Gonna wait for it. It's right at that fast moving average. Wouldn't be surprised if people sell into this. But we're due for buying too. It can go up or it can go down. Yep, you're right. Absolutely. EMA is still below the fast. $9:45 and 15 seconds. People sold into it. We don't have confirmation yet to buy. I'm finally learning my fucking lesson. I'm not being bold enough to short this, but I'm finally learning that lesson. Damn. Bunch of people just went boo-hoo. Boo freaking hoo. This is probably a good little point to buy. 9:45 and 45 seconds. Oh, maybe I should put on a micro. That might be juicy. Let's go over here. Micro 22.20. We're gonna buy one micro. We're taking off the. We're gonna take off all the stops, all the everything. So insanity here is, why would I buy? Yeah, I don't know, man. But we are at the day low. That's why. One micro. Just need to be cool. Got a nice upward wick there. I haven't traded a micro in a long time. Much higher. We're like, I don't know, is that 2,000 points lower? I don't know where we're at, but not really watching it, and that's dangerous. Trying to get all my little chart set up. Shouldn't do that when you're in a position, but it's one micro. Okay, now we gotta set the chart up. I'm just trying to get stuff near the zone. Anything can happen with NASDAQ. I mean, just because we're down literally 4.85%, it can still turn around and close the day up 4.85%. NASDAQ is fucking insane. My little micro was out $21, 22, 27. And just one little green candle, take it back almost all the way to break even. So we just gotta be cool here. Buyers are trying to step up. Okay, $62 in one micro. So question here is, why the fuck am I long? Out $58. Everything is pointing down. Down $93. Question is, why am I hurting myself like this? Why am I letting that happen? Because it's like a micro and I don't really care. That's the mental illness here. The good thing is I am not adding size. Oh, fuck it, I will. Now I'm long 3, down $134. $200, I care. Not watching the time, 9:51 a.m. Looks like we had some buyers at 9:50 a.m. $9:52 a.m. I'm not going to add size to the loser. I already did. There we go. Everybody waited. After 9:50, buyers stepped up. My little fantasy would be that I was strong enough to hold on to this, and maybe this will retrace all the way back to yesterday's close. I don't know. Anything is possible. Imagine holding 3 micros on a 4.98% retracement. That would be okay. I probably have to leave the house is what I probably need to do, because I definitely touch my mouse way too much. People aren't selling right now. It's still holding this level. Trying to get that EMA to cross above the fast. It's not doing it yet. $9:54 a.m. And then all of a sudden we get this big candle. That was a long basing time. I'm not sure what triggered the big candle all of a sudden, but I mean, this is based off time. Now we got the EMA crossing above the fast. In the money. Well, now down $33, but let's see if we can get some follow through. Oh, come on, guys. sticking right at my damn price. Up a whole $48. So here's where I know if I put on my stop at break even, I'm probably going to get knocked out after holding through all that waiting and waiting and waiting. Lots of room to the upside. Meh. Okay, here's where it gets exciting. Trying so hard to not hit break even. Just asking too fucking much. EMA is above the fast. EMA is kissing the slow. It's having a little fight here. In theory, it could hold. The slow and the fast here could both be serving as a floor. I mean, we got lower, 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 lower. And I don't take like a $40, $50 profit. And probably going to end up taking a fucking loss. But let's not jinx it. Let's try to be optimistic. Yeah, that's what you get for thinking. Just no. It's trying so hard. There's that EMA back below the fast. Damn, it didn't hold. Lower Bollinger Band on the right. It's one of my favorite places to buy. And then all of a sudden we get this massive volume spike. Oh, 10 o'clock a.m. That's why nothing was happening, but it was holding. Okay. Come on, 10 o'clock a.m. Fascinating. Everybody holding their breath and waiting. I don't think I can do this anymore. This is pissing me off. It's taking so long. It's micros. It's the day low. It's holding. I just need those sellers to quit selling. So currently $35 to $48 out of the money, $72 out of the money. Red candles. I mean, we had a big spike at 10 a.m., big green spike for volume. It's just trying to hold the EMA. God damn. $10:02 a.m. Third attempt at the low. Big green candle. Proud of me for not adding to a loser. If this is gonna go, it's gonna go. The EMA's trying to approach the fast. Sellers are like, nah. You need to get above here. There we go. EMA's kissing the fast right now. Evenly matched buyers and sellers. Ugh, God, this is fucking torture. This is not how I normally trade. Yeah, it's just a no-brainer. Just who would buy? Me. Just some dum-dum trying to buy and not careful about the original buy because it was 1 micro and I was like, yeah, I'll add 2 more. This blue line could signal, I don't know why. It shows me where the price was at 9:15 a.m. All right, god damn it, now I'm down 250 bucks on my little 3 micros. Lower low, day low. No mojo. Nice green candle. Currently down $165, $180. So EMA keeps trying to break the fast and it just kisses it, and then the sellers keep hitting it. So I need to get my head out of my ass and that big volume spike at 10 a.m. and it went up, and then I don't get it. Yeah, why am I giving away my money? Like, it's a no-brainer. Nasdaq down 5.2%, but I'm like, let's hold this long and it'll find its mojo. No, clearly not. Fucking goddamn fuck. I added to my loser. I put my stop at break even. Whatever. That was a giant waste of time. Gigantic waste of time. Huh. How is my thing set for break even and then I still end up having these losses? Was that before? I guess that was before. I mean, buyers are trying. Get excited, see a little mojo, decide to buy the high because I'm excited. EMA is above the fast. It's that green, that blue line that I mentioned. It's where the market was when it opened at 9:15. Long 3. Gonna put on break even. What are the odds? I gotta lock in some of this. Keep going, baby. I can't help it. I ate too many losses trying to do that. Okay, getting closer to where my max gains were, but note, that's where that crossed the EMA. I mean, where the EMA crossed the fast. Fuck it, I'll buy. Just one. If we have a change in character, if. Yeah, of course not. How much I lose on that? 27 bucks. Alright, this is a fucking time suck. I'm supposed to be enjoying my day. Have I gotten this account back? Oh, God, I still haven't been able to get that extra $500 to try to get this account up to 150K again. God damn. Straight up parabolic after that cross right there. Alright, I had to walk away because I was getting bored. So, saying I'm not on screen, I can multitask. I can do things like wash my face and use astringent. And I can still look at charts at the same time. Okay, alright, so EMA crossed above the fast and boom boom. Held it, held it, held it. Crossed right here again. So let's mark off this run. Made it a little bit too tall. Of course I grabbed the wrong one. But look, this one in theory says we'd be going down if that was the top of that move. Okay, I forgot I'm not in micros right now. Put it at break even. You're gonna knock me out. Of course you fucking are. It's like, this is like a flashback from yesterday, because similar situation yesterday. I made 4,000 and then I had a loss, and I spent the rest of the day trying to get back to that 4,000 and ended up getting triggered and putting on like 11 or 13 contracts and hitting max daily loss, and I never want to do that again. You know, and I'm trying to give myself permission. I could just stop. I could just stop and say, cool, 2,500 on the account in one day. That's good. That's digging out. But my loss yesterday was bigger. So I just want to make back my loss from yesterday, and I need to not force anything, not push anything. But you can see I'm trying, and I got out of the way when that short didn't work. I didn't instantly put on another one. So I don't know if this is a function of time. 10:26 a.m. If shorts are trying to get a better price. This would constitute a better price. This is a tangled web. So, big leg up. Held the slow, basically, ish. Putting another leg up. Always get killed on the big up days, the big up legs, big up moves to get me every single time, and I am trying to not do that. So if you look at the price action since this EMA crossed above, just reversion to the mean here at the fast, back up, reversion to the mean a little bit, went to the slow. I mean, it was sucking, but it held this. Very bullish. Took as much as they could, but finally a new day high for me. God, that took forever. And I didn't probably need to get out. 400 away now. So freaking close. The lower Bollinger Band, looking at a 15-second chart. So normally a really great place to buy. So let's back out. Let's look at the bigger picture here. This was a freak show low that just kept selling and selling and selling and selling. Sometimes they take it to a lower low so they can take it up to a higher high. So you need to be aware of that. So I'm gonna mark this red off back here where I expected that to hold earlier. Sometimes on this left side, what was a floor will become a ceiling over here on the right. If we really are weak, which it's possibly being a ceiling, but not always. It's gonna do whatever it wants to do. Scared I'm making a bad choice, but God damn, what the fuck was that? What the fuck was spike knocked me out of what was looking like a fabulous trade. And then I lose my internet, lose my OBS connection. Why are you buyers stepping up all of a sudden? I just took 2 losses as a short. Looking at the 3-minute chart, I guess that makes a little more sense now. And what did I just say a few minutes ago? I said sometimes they take it down to a lower low, like we had a freak show low here, so they can take it to a higher high. And I'm sitting here fighting the move to the higher high. I don't know if that was a function of time on the clock. I don't know. All I know is I'm pissed and I want my money back. Fuckheads. New day high, $2,987.42. $200 away from getting back to break even on this one. Three, that could be 2 little tiny 19 tick grabs. So here, like I said earlier, and I keep forgetting, freak show low. Maybe it's going to be on its way to a higher high. God damn it. Fucking god damn it! Capitulate and buy at the high and take a goddamn fucking loss. Because I'm like, wow, like I'm shorting at the high and getting knocked out. So might as well go buy the fucking high. So the lesson here is trading with stops is a motherfucker because they just knock you out of your trade all day long. God damn. Rah. So my little buy at the high, it'd be in the money. It'd be running right now. But no, I take a loss. $275. How can... God damn it. Fuck! So I need to hear the words that come out of my mouth. What I say, they took it to a lower low so they can take it to a higher high. And I'm sitting here like not taking part in that. In fighting it, trying to short it. But nope, I don't buy. 10:40 a.m. I'm going to take another loss on this. Now I'm pissed. Now I'm adding size. Give me back all my fucking goddamn fucking money. $890. All because I put on size because I was pissed. And sometimes that exact thing works, and sometimes that exact thing blows my account. We're going to sell one. I'm leaving my stop in place. Turning off my stop because I'm sick of you fuckheads. Slightly lower high. My price is literally the EMA. $10:42 a.m. $18,920, $924. I'm not being patient and waiting for that EMA to cross. I'm fighting what is a current uptrend. 10:43 a.m. 15 seconds, 30 seconds. EMA's right here. Put on break even. Had to wait for that, wait for that, wait for that, wait for that. 3,438. To get a third of the way to my goal, I need 4,054. Finally above 150K again. God damn, that took all morning. Ugh. Put break even on. EMA is clearly below the fast. I'm gonna move my take profit. Let's see. In theory, it could go to the length of this pink and have her run the length of the last run up. Since I'm already up so much on the day, I'm going to try to be freaking cool and let a winner run. I'm going to be mad if this knocks me out at break even. I'm going to be really mad. I don't do well with holding through a reversion to the mean. I'm grabbing some of this. I'm just trying really hard. Keep going down, boys. There was a... Oh, I see what just... I'm looking at the 3-minute chart. We're at the EMA on the 3-minute chart. I'm scared that could be a floor. Keep going. Yes, please, mommy. Keep going down. Oh, look at that wick. Wow. Fuckheads. 4,139. Hey, that gets me a third of the way to the $9,000 goal, I think. Oh, meaning I have all this math worked out on a piece of paper. I needed from the low of yesterday, like where I opened this morning, to get to the $9,000 goal. I was $12,164 away from it. So digging back, digging out a third of the way towards the goal is $4,054. So I've dug out a third of the way. And I've got the account back above 150K. Got my other account above 151K. for the day, $8,725 does not fucking suck. And it's a great day for trading. Wow. Love having a $8,000 day. Not just 8,000. 8,417 net. Win rates are 63.79 and 70%. I'm feeling really happy with my my observation regarding the length of runs. It's a very low-tech solution, but to just watch the move, like the move up, and then say, okay, well, now we're going to get an equal move down. So here, do I act greedy and put on a sell at the low? Yes, because that's what I do. I need to be careful, though. In fact, I might even put on break even right now, even though it's that close. Yes, please. Come on back down here, Papi. $10:50 a.m. If I get knocked out, I get knocked out. Of course. But I grabbed a little bit. Another 295. That doesn't suck. So this is my little low-tech thing, man. I don't know what to call this, but it's giving me the confidence in the move and the direction, and the instead of obsessing over every single I want to say tick, but candle. It's giving me confidence to have a visual thing to look at. So I have a framework to work with to know it just went up that high. Well, now it can go down just as much. And knowing this stuff has got to be computer controlled. There's not a market maker man sitting here going, ooh, buy, sell, ooh, buy, sell. Bullshit. This is all computer driven. This is algos that super smart guys worked with models. But at the end of the day, these are made by men, meaning humans. And we're simple creatures. Up, down, go up 100 ticks, go down 100 ticks. It's not rocket science. That way, at the end of the day, the overall move of these indices can appear controlled, and they can look random, but they're not. None of this is random. All right, so do I stop? That's the question. Do I stop? I could go to the gym right now at 11 a.m. That'd be a great day. I could take my life back and just say, yeah, that's a good day. Doesn't make it. So today's Thursday, so neither of these accounts are going to be good enough that I can pass on Friday unless I keep pushing it hard today and try to clear another $2,000 on both accounts. Which, maybe I will. Maybe I'll go take a break, find some food. Trying to eat keto/carnivore. Fasting. My little puppy's asleep on the bed. I don't know. I think I'm going to take a break for a while. You guys have a good day. Hope you're doing okay. Bye. I guess I'll take some screenshots first. So this will be all caught on the screen. God, that was a lot of work. My God, just to try to get that. I mean, that took forever. I mean, that was from, say, 9:07 a.m. till 10:41. An hour, almost an hour and 40 minutes to finally be able to break out. That was a lot of work. God. All right, but I did it, and I'm going to stop. I'm giving myself permission to quit and to walk away and say this is enough for today. Because in theory, this was real money, real account, having a day with net $8,707.90. That would equate to over a month. If you take a 90-10 profit split and you back out 37% for taxes, it ends up being probably like an $88,000 month. And I could live on that. So I need to be happy and thankful and take this as a sign of my progress and moving forward, and know that if I stay calm, I'm going to be okay. Let me take a screenshot of the other account. I'll take a picture of just the chart. And the chart plus the numbers. So just to read some of this out loud, let me pull my other thing on the screen. So let's move this over here for the God, I'm getting hit with a headache all of a sudden. So this account ending in 4946 has a profit factor of 7.75, a recovery factor of negative 13.57, which I don't know what that means. Win-loss ratio of 2.17. Our trader says my trade count was 20 trades with a 70% win rate. I had a net profit of $4,277.80. And had a max win streak of 5, max losing streak of 3. Biggest winner for a single trade was 1,367. Biggest loser for one trade was $292. I trusted my stops. I let them do the work for me to keep me in check. Let's look at the other account. Let's pull this up. Account ending in 2220 has a net $4,430.10 on 59 trades with a 64.41% win rate. Profit factor 2.34, recovery factor negative 5.82, win-loss ratio of 1.58. Max winners in a row was 11. Max losers in a row was 3. Biggest winner for a single trade was $881.28. And my biggest loser was $292.18. Again, I let my stops take the hit. I left them in place. I didn't argue. I just took the loss. But you know what? There were multiple times I turned my stops off. I know my stats would not look so good if I had left my stops on. Anyway, good trading day, and I'm proud of you. Talking to myself, proud of myself. Just need to do this every day, but again, today was a day with a NASDAQ currently down 4.39%. I know it was down over 5% earlier, and I do really well on days that I get to short because that is my nature and my bias. And I do well on those days, and it's those big, long up days that hurt me so bad. Anyway, I'm going to say bye. Take care, guys. Hope you're having